Where'd you get that rock from?
Property?
Yeah? Did you pick it
That's
up?
what I put my finger on.
Did you pick it up?
No.
No? Who picked it up?
You.
Oh, yeah? What happened to your fingers?
I smashed it with this rock and another rock.
Show us. You got band-aids on?
Yep.
Let me see. Oh, poor thing.
Two
Alright.
fingers.
Yeah. Tell us about those wildflowers.
They grow in our next door neighbor's yard,
Uh-huh.
but she doesn't live here anymore.
What happens in the morning?
In the morning,
When the sun comes out?
when the sun comes out, they open up, but when it gets dark and stuff, they close up like this.
Uh-huh.
And they're very soft too.
Very cool.
Mhm.
Where you at?
We are by the woods, by our friend's house,
Yeah.
and we are about to go in those woods that are right over there. And I'm about to climb a tree.
Say what?
I'm about to climb a tree. This is the tree right here. Hi. Ew, bird poop. Say
How,
that.
how old are you?
I'm 7.
Yeah.
I'd like to go climb that tree again.
Okay.
It's harder getting down now.
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. Ah! Man, that's tough. I can tell you that.
We collected those rocks the other day, didn't we?
Yep.
Let's talk about this field for a minute.
Many rocks in it. A lot of these rocks used to be under the ground because the farmers took out all the trees, and so there was no roots to keep the rocks in the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So every year rocks keep on coming up and up and up. And up and up and up and up and up until they finally get to the top of the ground.
And then the farmers have to remove them so it doesn't destroy their machinery. What was in this field 60 years ago?
Trees.
Huh? Really?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, they were great mighty oaks, elms. You
Yep.
name it, it was out here. Holding the rocks down, huh?
Yep. See? Little ones are also under there too,
Mm-hmm.
including big ones. and even smooth ones, hard ones, you name it. All kinds of rocks. Every single type of rock is under the ground.
Can you give us some tips on how, I know this isn't woods right here, but how you would walk through here if these were briars? What's one?
Use your feet first. Step on the briars. Make sure you don't fling the briars into your face. You don't want to get any briars in your face, especially the eye.
Especially the eye.
And they might not taste good. You gotta use your feet first and step on the briars. That's how you do it. So, remember, rocks were always under the ground. And trees' roots, all kinds of them, were keeping these rocks under the ground. But when the farmers removed them, they came up. That's how it happened.